Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today I have this Parkside drilling jig and let's open to see what we have inside and find out more about this product and how we can use it. Parkside? Whoa, it's quite heavy. The drilling diameter, it is from 3 millimeters to 9.5 millimeters. We can check here all the numbers. Drilling jig aid for precise vertical drilling, prevents crooked attachment, with a notch on the bottom for easy drilling into pipes, rods or edges. Marked center line for each drilling diameter, made of a steel alloy. Yep, it is quite heavy, but I like it. It feels durable, well manufactured, a premium product. Well, let's move on and test it. Now I will try it on a wood angle. If you want, you can use a clamp, 8 millimeter. Wood drilling bit, of course. Nice! I like it. Let's do it again. Perfect angle. Yep. Or at this metal, I will use the 6.8 millimeter metal drill bit. Clamp it if you want, it will be more safe. Okay, perfect. And there's the hole. Alignment very well, and we have a straight drilling hole at the metal. Or you can do the same thing at this plastic tube. So easy. Or at this copper tube, 5 millimeter drill bit. There it is. Drill it very well. And if you want to drill at this position at the center, definitely it will be helpful with these lines, vertical, horizontal, alignment very well. Find which hole you want and then drill any material. If that is a wood, metal, copper, plastic, you name it. Definitely it is more helpful to drill straight lines, make your life more easy. It costs only 6 euros. And with that saying, guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button and done. Share this video. You never know who may need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.